What's up, everyone? Want to know how I make money renting pop-up canopies? Here's how. Check it out. So this video is about pop-up canopies. So why pop-up tents, you ask? I'll tell you why. Yeah, I know it would be nice to have bigger pole tents and frame tents, but if you can't afford them, pop-up tents is the perfect entry-level rental item. So all the rental companies in my area charge huge amount for pop-up tents. It blew my mind. Right there was my in. I knew it was my time. All that I would have to do is just offer a product that's cheaper than my competition. Plus, if you're like me and you're trying to break into a market, it's a perfect small cost item to project you into the rental company realm. Where do I get them from? So if you're just here to see what kind of pop-up tent you should be buying, I'll tell you right now, Impact Canopies. They make quality pop-up canopies, so go get them. So this tent is available on Impact Canopies website in Canada and the US, and they're super cheap. They market them as the UL8 ultra lightweight aluminum 10x10 canopy. They call them the beach canopy, but honestly, they're so much more than that. People pop them in the back of their SUVs all the time. Literally 3 rentals will buy me a brand new tent. So now that you've got your pop-up tent, you want to break into the extras market that kind of go along with it. Don't forget the weights. The weights, that's extra money right there. Plus they need the weights, kind of. Tent walls. Lights. So I'll go to a clip that I did from last summer of one of these tents set up at night with bistro lights. So check this out. Coolers. So if they're going into the night, they're gonna need heat lamps, bug screens. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you my secret here. This right here is my ratchet system that makes my pop-up tents not go anywhere. It's the greatest upsell to clients because they don't want their pop-up tents blowing away. So as you can see right here, the ratchet top's just connected in the loophole. And then down here, it's just the dog spike goes in, connected with the ratchet. When you have 4 of these bad boys in, it's not going anywhere. So are you starting to get my drift? Everything kind of circulates around tents. And pop-up tents is the introductory feature to a rental company. Other than tables and chairs, those are the pinnacle of every single rental company. But that's for another video. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. Make sure and check out some of my other videos. And if you haven't yet, please sub to my channel. You stay classy.